Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick video. I think I'm on to something new. I'm in the process of testing out a couple of things. I'm going to give it to you in bits and pieces. So, for those of you, it's your first time to the channel, my name is Sean, Beijing HBK from D Sweet Deals LLC, and on this channel we do reselling and embroidery DTF, but it's basically an entrepreneurship channel, and you guys are following along my journey of building my reselling business and also my embroidery business. So we're doing two businesses at once. Yeah, I think we're on to something new, something that hasn't been done before that I know of. And right now we're doing a different part of testing. What I'm doing today is an embroidery QR code. I'm testing it to see, once I have the embroidery design digitized and stitched out, will it still send us over to the destination that the QR code is linked for? So if that works properly, I might be onto something new, something different. That is only part of what I'm trying to accomplish. I have a whole big plan, taking embroidery into a different area it hasn't been in yet. So we're filling a need that you didn't think you needed. But yeah, we're gonna try to take embroidery to a different heights that it hasn't been to yet. So I'm opening up a new niche, but we'll see. We're in the testing phase. No guarantee that this is gonna take off, but what entrepreneurship is all about: taking risks, creating new things, and see where it goes from there. So I'm about to show you on the computer how we got the QR code, then have it digitized, and we're going to come back to the craft room and stitch it out and test it to see if it sends us to the destination that we put into the QR code. And then we got big plans if that works. So let's get to it. And you know, all of this is done with the assistance of AI and ChatGPT. So let's go. Let's get things rolling. In here, we're going to do a QR code. So I'm in Canva and we're underneath apps, and we're just going to select the basic QR code, because what we want to do is add our URL. It's the first time trying this. Add our URL. We're going to just make that blue. Generate a code. So let me rewind. We went into Canva. Underneath apps, we went to QR code. So now we're generating a QR code. We added our website destination into the URL. So now when we scan this, it should go directly to our website. The goal with this now is to actually stitch this out into an embroidery design. So I want to make this 3x3. I think that'd be a good size for it to be able to be scanned through thread. I don't know. We're trying new things here, so we just gotta test it and see what happened. Oh, there we go. 3x3. Nope. There we go. Fits the complete box, 3x3. I wonder if I scan this with my phone, will that work? Oh yeah, so it does work. What we're going to do now is we're going to download this as a PNG file. Download PNG. So now that this is downloaded, we're going to just put QR test PNG, save it to downloads. So now that it is downloaded, our next step would be to either digitize this myself or send it over to the digitizer, let them digitize it, then stitch it out. And once it's stitched out, scan it with your phone and see if it actually goes over to the website. And that is going to be a game changer for the complete task of what I'm actually trying to do. So I'm not going to give too much of this away of what I'm doing until I actually create what I'm doing and do the combination of changing the game in embroidery. So let's get this digitized, and then we'll head to the machine and test it out. So I will get back to you guys. All right, guys, back in the craft room. Forgot to tell you guys, I did get an order in from Candle, some new polyester thread. So I got their color chart. I haven't really got into this box yet, but I did open it. Their sample threads are a little smaller than Madeira, but they are very colorful, so I can't wait to start using these, especially now that we're doing a lot more portrait designs and the next level of embroidery we're trying to go to. So these candle threads are a little bit brighter in color, so they're going to make most of my portrait designs pop. And that's basically why I got all these test threads, to see if between these and Madeira threads, which ones I like best. I might just combine them both, never know. But I digress. We're gonna get this QR code stitched out, and then we'll test it. So let's get this started. And that was our first mistake right there. White on white. We don't want white, we want black. We're going to change the color and get back at it. All right, guys, QR code is out. Came out pretty decent. Now it's for the moment of truth. Oh. Ha ha. We have jackpot. So, as you can see, QR codes, embroidery thread definitely works. This can be a game changer. This can be a game changer depending on how we use this. So, now that the test is good, I'm gonna start incorporating this into some of my designs. But there's a catch to how we're gonna use this. The website of what we're gonna use it for, that's for another video. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Hope you guys learned something new like I did, and hopefully it has your imagination going on what you can use these QR codes, embroidered QR codes for. Until next time, guys, this is Sean Major HBK signing off. Stay tuned to our next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.